Hi guys, Scottish Entrepreneur here, and today I'm going to show you how to make a free design for Amazon Merch using Inkscape. Inkscape is a free vector graphic software that matches Adobe Illustrator blow for blow, in my opinion. First we need to find a niche. In order to do this, I use Merch Informer. This tool is imperative for anyone who wants to take Amazon Merch seriously. It's an in-depth keyword research tool. Essentially, this is how you find your niches. So first of all, on my dashboard, I'm going to go to Trend Hunter and check what trends are moving and shaking. So basically we're going to go try and find something that's trending but not overly saturated and just get a t-shirt up. So this is it can take a bit of time. Okay, 2 minutes. Rio de Janeiro, Brazil. Estimated monthly sales 13. BSR seems pretty decent, so we'll check this out. Okay. The Merch Research tool, this is a great little tool. Basically just pulls everything from Amazon Merch. Only Amazon Merch. So we can see here there's 241 designs for Rio de Janeiro. That seems fairly low for something like Rio de Janeiro. See here, great BSR, the first one, the rest so. There may be profit in this. So what I like to do is I like to sort by if it would work. Sorry about this. Go to newest arrivals. This is basically the people that have just put their designs up. See how they're doing. As you can see, these are fairly new. September 5th, September 6th, September 5th, not a single sale, no sale, no sale. We're looking for one that has sold. Because if one has sold, then basically we've done something right within this niche. No rank found, no rank found. August 4th, so we're going quite far back. Still no sales rank. So this is actually quite important, especially if you're new to this. Oh wait, found one. Yeah. But it doesn't even say my keywords at all. It is Brazilian Jiu-Jitsu. That might be a really good niche actually. We'll check that in a minute. So most people will tell you if it's 241, that's actually great. It's not overly saturated. It may not be overly saturated, but the fact is, once you just put a new logo up, they don't sell. There's no sales at all. So always check your newest arrivals first. That's my opinion. I believe that's quite important. But I found that on niche here, Brazilian Jiu-Jitsu. Someone sold. I'd like to apologise about the poor mic quality actually. I'm using my webcam for it. Brazilian Jiu-Jitsu, GI training. I'll take it all keywords. So let's just check this first. Okay, so it's 187. Ooh. Pretty good, pretty good. So. Brazilian Jiu-Jitsu. Yeah, I mean, everyone seems to have a sales rank, so this actually looks like a fairly good niche to be in. What's this dinosaur? see that quite a lot, so I take it that's a slogan for it. Amber Me Impossible. This is another tool I use, it's called Keeper. It's a sales rank tracker and BSR tracker, basically. Like, this is a way to find out how many times it sells. So from September the 4th, it was sitting at 500,000, then it's went up, so it's had no sales, and then it got a sale. September the 13th, September 12th, 13th, it's went back down again, so that's a sale. So probably every couple of days this one gets a sale. Amber Me Impossible, with that little dinosaur logo, so we're going to actually look into that. Go through Inkscape. This is the only tool I use for making my own designs. Okay, just 2 seconds to make sure I've got the spelling properly on that. Armbar Me Impossible. Okay. Armbar Me. So what I'm going to look at here is price, $18.99. Basically, what most people do is they pretty much copy them and they put the price down. That's how they beat the competition. It's not very nice, but unfortunately that's how it's done. You look at all the keywords here. Now your GI for Nogi, pair of shorts, compression. Don't really understand that, but I take it it's pretty good keywords. So we're going to look for this little dinosaur in a karate suit. What I say is we go to Google. Dinosaur cartoon PNG karate. Now the thing is with this, a lot of times it could be copyrighted pictures. This is just a quick way to show someone how to do a design, basically. These pictures will be copyrighted, but there's a way around that. This, for example, we'll try this. Seems pretty decent. Oh, there's a picture we actually seen. Right, okay. So I'm going to go ahead with this. Save image as. Great, it's already transparent, that's exactly what you want. Fluff it round. What we're going to do is going to trace a bitmap. Live preview. Invert the colours. Okay. There we go. So, delete that. Delete, 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 delete. I hope this works. Yes, it didn't work exactly how I wanted that. Right, 2 minutes, 2 seconds please. desktop, put it over, and I'm going to clip it out. And we should have our image. It's not going to be great, but it's for a quick image. I'm going to quick show you how it works. There we go. We've also got our text in here somewhere. Put the fill to white. White against black t-shirts seem to be a really good seller. Take this off. So Amber Me, Impossible. Oops. White again. So we're going to bring this in. This is basically how your t-shirt's going to look. This is exactly how a t-shirt will look. And what you want to do here is fill for this background, make it transparent. So even though you can't see anything, they're all there. Highlight them all, Control G, that groups them together. Up here where it says W, this is the width, it has to be 450. And the height has to be 540. Then click on Drawn here, and you've got your height and width, then Export As, and then Export. And that's it, you've got your design. What you have to do then is just 2 seconds. Go to your Amazon merch dashboard, upload and use these keywords. Not exactly, I mean, MMA shirts, Jiu-Jitsu shirts, BJJ, that's Brazilian Jiu-Jitsu I take it, that's all keywords. So I would just copy this to an extent. I wouldn't put every single word in that they've done, I would not do it the same way they've done it, but I mean it is a really good niche. $18.99, they probably make about $4 per sale, they probably sold quite a lot. Fairly decent BSR. It was uploaded in June the 26th, so it's a fairly new design. So that's it for today, hopefully you've learnt something. If you like the video, like the video. Comment, subscribe, if you need any help, tips or anything like that, let me know, I'll put it in the next video. Thank you for watching.